2 weeks, I've been staying here in Park City, Utah with my family at the Bluebird House. Awesome place to stay. If you're ever checking out Park City, definitely check out the Bluebird House because it is available for rent. And while I've been here, I've been testing out and using two of the hottest robovacs. And here's my results. I was quite surprised with what you can learn when you put two of the best vacuum cleaners back to back. It's nothing new that robot vacuum cleaners have become a game changer for cleaning houses, especially for busy households, saving us precious time and energy when it comes to keeping our floors spick and span. But today, we're going to put two of the best value robot vacuums to the test, the Narwal Freo X Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. We'll look into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your home. Most vacuums have that one pain point that just makes you want to throw them out in the garbage. But these have held their weight as I've tested them both. They're not perfect, but they really have stood the test of everything I've put them through. These two models are known for their impressive cleaning capabilities, advanced features, and ease of use. We'll be focusing on their main selling points, from suction power, how they handle entanglements and navigation, to other features like mopping and how they handle the debris and dust that they've collected. And I will also test each product based on its core features to determine which one is the best value for your money. Let's kick things off with the muscle behind these machines. Suction power. When it comes to suction power, both the Narwal and the iRobot deliver impressive results, but the specs are really far apart here. The Narwal Freo X Plus boasts an impressive industry-leading 7,800 PA or pascals of suction, capable of removing 99% of particles from hard floors, while the iRobot i5 Plus combo comes with only 2,500 PA suction power. This means that even the tiniest dust particles and dirt specks are picked up with ease by the Narwal, leaving your floors spotless and dust-free. On the other side of the ring, we've got the iRobot i5 Plus combo. While it may not quite match the Narwal's suction power, it still provides excellent cleaning results on both hard floors and carpets. This little guy can still tackle your everyday dirt and debris with ease. To put this into perspective, imagine you've just hosted a movie night. Popcorn kernels are scattered everywhere, and there's a mysterious sticky patch on the carpet. The Narwal Freo X Plus would breeze through this cleanup like a superhero, while the iRobot i5 Plus combo might need an extra pass or two on those tougher spots. But one of the most frustrating aspects of traditional vacuum is dealing with tangled hair. Both these robots come equipped with anti-tangle brushes, but they're not created equal. With the Narwal Freo X Plus, you can say goodbye to those pesky tangles. The zero tangling floating brush is certified to capture 99.56% of hair with zero tangling by SGS and TUV. This means that even the longest and most stubborn hair strands are effortlessly swept up and contained within the dust bag. The Narwal Freo X Plus features a dual brush system that works together to pick up hair without getting all knotted up. The iRobot i5 Plus combo also features a unique dual multi-surface rubber brush that adjusts to different floor types and avoids getting tangled with pet hair. While it may not be as effective as Narwal's zero tangle brush, it still provides excellent hair management. The iRobot i5 Plus combo, while also boasting anti-tangle technology, might require a bit more TLC. It does a solid job, but if you've got a house full of long-haired humans and fluffy pets, you might find yourself playing groomer to your robot more often. Hair and tiny specks of dust and debris can be a real nuisance, not just for the appearance of your home, but also for your health. Tiny particles of dust, dirt, and even pet dander can aggravate allergies and respiratory issues if left unchecked. That's why dust collection capabilities of robot vacuums like the Narwal Freo X Plus and the iRobot i5 Plus combo is so important. The Narwal, for example, features a dust compression technology that can store up to 7 weeks of dust and debris. These two robot vacs come with nifty extras. The Narwal Freo X Plus has a self-emptying dustbin that can hold up to 7 weeks of dirt. That's 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuum. This consists of a silent and disposable dust bag with a low noise monthly self-emptying disposable dust bag filter. This might not be as flashy as the self-emptying dustbin, but in my opinion, it's a lot more efficient and a lot more carefree. Also, one thing that's internal that you can't see is the U-shaped air duct, which provides uninterrupted high-speed flow instant garbage collection without any clogs. And finally, the dust bag air drying that accelerates moisture evaporation, reducing health risks for bacterial growth. These are things that you really don't think about usually when purchasing a RoboVac. While the i5 Plus combo's self-emptying feature means you go months without having to worry about emptying the vacuum bin. Efficient dust collection not only keeps your home looking and feeling cleaner, but it also contributes to improved indoor air quality and better health overall for you and your family. But which of these vacuums can canvas your entire space for the tiniest dust or hair? Navigation and obstacle avoidance are important in any robot vacuum. Remember that time you tried to vacuum blindfolded for a laugh? No, me either. But these robots are way smarter than that. The Narwal Freo X Plus uses advanced LiDAR technology, which is fancy talk for it can see in the dark and won't bump into your furniture. The patented triple laser array technology is used to scan the surroundings in all directions, create an exclusive 3D map of your room, and develop the perfect cleaning route. The robot can then effortlessly navigate around furniture, stairs, and other obstacles, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning. The iRobot i5 Plus combo also features advanced navigation technology and capabilities, including a forward structure light sensor and a side structure light sensor. It provides decent navigation and obstacle avoidance. While it might not be as precise as the Narwal, it still does a pretty good job of not getting stuck or falling downstairs. Think of it as the cautious driver. It might take a bit longer, but it's going to get there safely. If you've got a house with lots of nooks and crannies and obstacle courses, aka normal family living, the Narwal Freo X Plus might be your best bet for thorough, efficient navigation and cleaning. Both the Narwal Freo X Plus and the iRobot i5 Plus combo offer mopping and vacuuming capabilities, making them versatile cleaning solutions for your home. Here's where things get really interesting. Both of these robots are multitaskers. Just like you when you're juggling work emails, dinner prep, and breaking up sibling squabbles, the Narwal Freo X Plus is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning robots. It not only vacuums, but also mops with precision. Imagine coming home to floors so clean you could eat off of them, but please don't. We're not animals here. The iRobot i5 Plus combo also offers mopping capabilities. Now, the iRobot does offer mopping capabilities and is great for maintaining already clean floors, but might struggle with tougher messes. Think of it as the difference between quick wipe downs and a thorough scrubbing. For a real world test, I accidentally spilled some salsa on the kitchen floor. The Narwal Freo X Plus tackled it like a champ, leaving no trace of my clumsiness. The iRobot i5 Plus combo did an okay job, but I had to give it a little helping hand to get rid of all the evidence. It also has a smart app that lets you control it from anywhere. It first does a thorough map of your entire space, and then you can use targeted mapping and room cleaning to be very precise with your cleaning. When you've forgotten to clean before the in-laws visit, no sweat, you can tap your phone and pretend you've been cleaning all day. The iRobot i5 Plus combo also has a self-emptying bin, though it's good for about 30 days. Something else to note is that both RoboVacs are capable of voice assistants like that Amazon lady. So you can feel like a wizard commanding your cleaning minions simply by speaking. Both robots also have scheduling features so you can set them to clean while you're out pretending to be a responsible adult. They'll also return to their charging stations when they're running low on juice, charge up, and go back out if necessary. Both the Narwal Freo X Plus and the iRobot i5 Plus combo are competitively priced. The Narwal Freo X retails for only $399, while the iRobot i5 Plus combo fluctuates in price, but right now it is on sale for $436. While the iRobot with its self-collection dustbin might look like it offers additional features and functions, overall, ultimately the choice between the two models will depend on your specific cleaning needs and budget. So which of these very popular RoboVacs is best for you? After putting these robots through the paces, here's the nitty-gritty. The Narwal Freo X Plus is the overachiever for mid-range vacuuming. It's powerful, smart, and leaves your floors so clean, like I said, you might be tempted to eat off of them. It's perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who wants to outsource their cleaning to a robot. The iRobot i5 Plus combo is like a reliable friend who's always there to lend a hand. It might not have all of the bells and whistles of the Narwal, but it's a solid performer that won't break break the bank. However, it does still come in a little bit more expensive than the Narwal. It's great for smaller homes and apartments or as a starter robot vacuum. Ultimately, the choice between the two models will depend on your specific cleaning needs and of course your budget. A couple of other very important features of the Narwal Freo X Plus is the world's first self-contained dust processing solution. So after putting these both to the test, which one would I choose? Well, I'm partial to the Narwal Freo X Plus. So that's one that I would recommend in this scenario. There are links to both robovacs in the description of this video. I appreciate your guys' support by using those affiliate links to purchase these robovacs. Let me know in the comments which robovacs you guys have used.